My name is Nolan Burris. I'm the Chief Design Officer here on Team 1710, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly use the CNC router table. So first you want to set up your sheet stock and then properly secure that onto your board. After deciding what part we're cutting out using Fusion 360, we're going to write a program and a code that our machine can actually understand. We'll export it to our flash drive and then head to our CNC, plug it in, and load up our program. After double checking your program in Fusion 360 and whatever bit you chose, you're going to be choosing that bit out of our CNC bits box, and with the proper sizing and for the proper material. After choosing our bit, which in this case is a 3/16 aluminum bit, we're going to properly and tightly secure it into the collet and make sure that you don't cut yourself because it isn't razor sharp. First, we're going to actually do an air cut where we're going to run the program well above the stock using this offset block so that we can double check that our program is going to be cutting it out properly and that we don't run into any issues once we're actually cutting the stock. Next, we're going to make sure that our X, Y, and Z zeros are correct for cutting out this piece based on our model. So I'm going to do our X, Y first. I'm going to make sure that I have a proper big square area for the part that we're cutting out, which in this case is 2 panels from our claw. Next, we're going to choose our program that we'll be cutting out, which in this case is our 5090 program. And I'll be selecting that and loading that up to go. Now we're going to run that program, but on our air cut first. Now after verifying that our program is in fact correct and cutting properly, we're now going to re-zero for our final cut. And while cutting, make sure that you're staying outside of this yellow striped tape so that you're a proper safe distance away from the machine so that you don't get anything caught while it's running and cutting out.